Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today I am going to announce the winner of the Darn Good Yarn monthly subscription club box for box number 12. So here I am getting the link from the YouTube video so that I can go over to commentpicker.com, go ahead and paste that link in there. Now, once I get that pasted into the commentpicker.com website, I do filter out duplicate users, and then I get YouTube comments. So there were 77 comments to choose from, so thank you all that entered, and I'm going to go ahead and go down here, hit the start button so we can see who won. Who's it going to be? Lisa! Congratulations, Lisa. I'm so excited that you won. Lisa says, I guess my favorite yarn fiber is acrylic because 99% of my yarn has been acrylic. I mostly make bed-size blankets. You know what? I don't blame you, Lisa. I don't blame you at all. Go ahead and shoot me an email at hookedtotheleft@gmail.com and let me know where to send your box. Everybody who entered, thank you so much for entering. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want you all to have an amazing day. Bye-bye.